Welcome to Bob Byrne Builds, and in this video I'll show you how I make a bench for dust extraction. The fan I use is a simple extractor fan from a cooker hood. I used an old door I had lying around to hold the fan because it wouldn't be seen. I sealed up the inside using OSB. I further sealed all the joints using duct tape. This is self-adhesive foam, usually used for sealing around windows and doors. I use sandpaper here on the extractor body to make sure that the duct tape sticks. I make a series of these duct tape tabs at the end of the hose so I can affix it to the fan. I use the hole saw to make the holes in the bench. After I made the first hole, I could turn the fan on and it began to suck out all the smoke and the dust from the drilling. I had a real problem with the plugs getting stuck inside the hole saw, so I decided I would drill the holes most of the way down but not all the way through, and then remove the drill bit from the hole saw, which made it much easier to remove the plugs afterwards.